Hello everyone. Generative AI is everywhere now. Microsoft Generative AI Copilot is everywhere now. Copilot is present in many products like Microsoft Copilot for Azure, Copilot for Microsoft 365, Copilot for Sales, Copilot Studio, Security Copilot. Our focus of this video is Copilot for Azure. For rest of Copilot, you can refer my other videos. Microsoft Copilot for Azure is an AI assistant that helps us to design, operate, optimize, and troubleshoot applications and infrastructure. Microsoft Copilot for Azure can help us to navigate the hundreds of services and thousands of resources that Azure offers. IT professional can find information faster and gain productivity. Copilot will leverage large language models, Azure Control Panel, and insight about users' Azure assets, with commitment to safeguard customer data security and privacy. Copilot accesses the same data and interface as Azure management tools, conforming to policy, governance, and role-based access control configured in the environment. Let's have a look on some of the prompts. Ask in natural language to Microsoft Copilot for Azure. For more prompt samples, you can refer Microsoft technical documentation for which I have shared link in the description. You can see that Microsoft Copilot for Azure is currently in preview. It means Microsoft Copilot for Azure requires registration and is currently only available to approved enterprise customers and partners. General availability will be soon with new and advanced features based on the user provided feedback. If you don't have Azure account as of now, you can try for free from here. If you already have Azure account and you want to apply for access for preview, I have shared the link in my description. Request access to preview Microsoft Copilot for Azure. Please read all instructions carefully. Currently, it's only for enterprise customer, not for the email which have Gmail, Yahoo or Hotmail. It will ask you first name, last name, your Azure tenant ID, your billing account ID, your your company email address, an email account used to log into Azure portal, your company name, and some other information. Microsoft will review your application and will grant access or may deny the access. I trust you found this information useful. Let's play with Microsoft Copilot for Azure. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I will be happy to solve your queries further. Please mention in comment box or refer my website which I have given in description. Please subscribe to my channel to see such demonstrations. Thank you.